During lockdown period, we are taking online classes. Is everything going well?
Sir, actually, students are doing well in theory portion, but I think we have to do something new and exciting.
Sir, I think we should explain theory with the help of practicals.
Madam, you are absolutely right. Is this possible?
Yes, sir, it is possible.
Yes, sir. I think we make it more interesting with practical.
Alright, let's do practical. Harsh, please tell me which topic you want to explain practically.
We should explain acid waste chapter through practical.
Harsh, today many people are facing problem of acidity. I think we must aware people about this. Let's do practical.
First of all, we will demonstrate how acidity occurs. Acidity occurs when the secretion of acid is more than usual. We feel what is commonly known as heartburn, which is normally triggered off by consumption of spicy foods.
Sir, we show how acidity occurs, but how can we reduce it?
We can show with the neutralization process.
Neutralization process is a chemical reaction in which acid and base react with each other to form salt and water. Take 20 ml of milk of magnesia using a measuring cylinder and pour it into a beaker. Add water and crushed ice into solution of milk of magnesia. Start stirring manually. Add 4 to 5 ml of universal indicator solution. Watch as the white suspension of milk of magnesia turns to deep purple color. The color indicates that solution is basic. Repeat this process, adding HCl at a time, waiting after each addition until the mixture turns back to blue-purple. Repeated this process many times until change the color. The color changes continuously when we add HCl into the solution from purple to green. The process can be repeated a number of times before all the magnesium hydroxide has dissolved and has reacted with HCl. Now, the color of solution changes to light yellow.
But how students can understand this process?
We can show this process with litmus solution.